Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to extend the time before screen lock. Now if you want to extend the screen lock time but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to extend the time before your iPhone screen locks automatically turns off after inactivity, then you need to open the settings app on your iPhone. So open the settings app on your iPhone, and this is the settings app where you'll see various options like airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile service, and all of it. Now you need to scroll down until you see the option of display and brightness. So scroll down, and here you will see the option of display and brightness, which is below control center and home screen and app library. So click on the option of display and brightness, and here you need to scroll down until you see the option of auto lock. So here is the option of auto lock, and you need to click on the option of auto lock, and you need to select the time you want your screen to automatically lock first. So there are the option of 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and all of it. So here I have kept the auto lock option for 30 seconds. You may choose the options accordingly, and by doing all of it you'll be able to extend the time before the screen lock on your iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.